in prison.
And how was your experience in India? And how was your excitement?
Oh, very excited, and I always like coming here. It's very nice.
This is the biggest festival of Sanatan Hinduism. And how you know about this Mahakumbh?
It's from Jitesh that I know. Yeah.
And are you excited to come here?
Yes, yes, very much. Yeah.
What's your name?
Hi, Jitesh. I'm basically grew up in Mysore and now living in Germany and looking forward for 2 days of great excitement and spiritual experience in Kumbh.
सर विदेश जाने के बावजूद भी जो संस्कार है संस्कृति है उसको आप मानते हुए भारत आए हैं अपनी धर्मपत्नी के साथ इस महाकुंभ में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
अगर यहाँ रहेंगे कि बाहर रहेंगे स्पिरिचुअलिटी में इसका इज ऑलवेज गुड। मैं योगा भी प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ बाहर रह के डेली प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ सो इसे constant contact should be there, grounding should be there and traveling towards inner self and knowing yourself should be there. So this is all we always keep practicing and keep a constant work on it.
South Africa.
South Africa.
Yes.
How was your experience about Mahakumbh? You came here.
It's been beautiful, eh? So well organized, the streets are clean, the people are so friendly and happy. Thousands and thousands of pilgrimage people just enjoying the beauty of
You have
Kumbh Mela.
put tilak on your forehead.
Yeah.
How does get up?
We practice Sanatana Dharma around the world. We have a guru, Paramahamsa Vishwananda, and we practice Sanatana Dharma. We teach it. We spread it in the West. Yeah.
How started your journey? How you start?
We landed on the 1st of January. We went up to Nainital, up to Dunagiri, all the way down to Varanasi, and now today we've come to take Snan with all the other pilgrims from around the world. You know, it's very beautiful.
So you all are from South Africa?
Cape Town.
Cape Town.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Nikki.
Nikki. So came first time in India?
I was in Kerala in 2019, but I haven't been to this part. It's very, very beautiful.
How do you think about the Mahakumbh?
It's very, very powerful. I'm very, very blessed to be going into the Ganges.
The main thing is today is nice. So you will go to Yamuna Ji and take a dip?
Yes, for sure. Absolutely.
That's all we did.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm Jeremy Sinhala.
What's your name?
My name is Jeremy.
Okay. So how was your experience about Mahakumbh?
It's been beautiful to come and see Gangama, Yamunama, Saraswati Ma.
You
It's
are
a blessing.
living in South Africa.
Yeah.
Okay, so how long you start practicing Sanatan?
Wait.
Wait a second. Wait.
I'm Russian. I have two citizenships, Russian and German. And I came from Berlin right now. So
Say about it.
it's great. It's just great. I don't hear you. No, we came just for 1 day. I just swimming really, very deep and very high.
What about arrangement and all things?
Actually, I cannot answer you properly because I don't understand what's going on exactly around me. You see so many people. It is first time in my life experience. I get such participate so great event. Even I love festivals. I love musical festivals, but spiritual festivals. It is my first experience. Yes. I don't ask. It is great. It is great. It's just great.
Europe. And India is just great. I mean, we came to Kumbh Mela first time in life, and this is a big Kumbh Mela, so we're very excited. It's like, you know, you see the real India, and the true power of India is their people. And look around, it's thousands of people, and the vibe I cannot even transfer. Like I'm shaking because of the vibe of people, of holy place, of all the people who deep into holy Mama Ganga river. Thank you so much. I love India. Mera Bharat Mahan.
Yeah, 7 years.
What things admire you to become a Sanatani or become a Hindu?
The logic. It makes sense. There's the faith, but also there's no blind faith. It's beautiful. Hello.
What's your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
Yeah.
This is your first time in India.
First time in India.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how was your experience?
Oh, excellent. I think the people are lovely, and I think the food's been amazing and so forth, and seeing all of the pilgrimage sites and holy sites and so forth, temples, have been absolutely amazing.
Before, have you been ever heard about Mahakumbh?
Only this year.
Only this year.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
what do you think about Mahakumbh? How was your overall experience about it? You are just coming here, I know.
Yeah, we're just coming here yesterday, and obviously there's a lot of people, so we're hoping to take one of the royal baths and so forth. So yeah, but it's exciting. Yeah.
Yes, I come from to go Kumbh Mela. I practice yoga and I search for moksha.
Moksha.
Yes.
What do you feel?
Amazing. It's, India is a spiritual heart of the world. So I'm very happy. First time in India, I go Varanasi, then I come here.
Amazing.
I feel amazing. The water is cold, but
क्या आप भी स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं पर कंफ्यूज हैं कि कौन सा आप चूज करें? डोंट